Leg freezer.
Yeah man nation, big up on yourself. We're there on another adventure outside. So they are try build a vibes. You see it. So the guys just tune in. Check in and just watch what go on. Guys, remember the right thing, subscribe, follow and share up the video here people and comment.
Hit that like button.
Yeah. And also you guys can comment and tell us where next you would want us to go and what would you guys like to see. Just let us know. Alright? We're there. Just watch your vibe.
Follow us on Instagram.
Alright. Whole sky. Yeah, people, we're there. The sky kinda dark still. So let you guys see what I go on. It's very cloudy right now. Like rain and go fall. And thing. Over there I go and go one swim. And go and build a fire before the rain come down and thing. You see? So yes, over there. Yeah, we're there in water people. You're right there so deep. You see right there sir? One big deep hole right there sir. So afraid of right there so me and Nate can go right there. Me and Nate here. The water cold. Don't it? So mommy them there. I'm a pose. It's like the rain are coming up people. But what do you want to think? We did a plan. We said we could have come and cook some food. But because of the rain, we don't go bother get to do the cooking. So we just swim and build a vibe. That's it. So people will just stay. Alright, I'm going to check out the deep water right here. And king. I can't go and need water with me as well. Ready? Ready for it? Yo! People look at it. Like, them say river come down after here so. So I don't know if I come down the river I come down. But I make you check it out under there. Kids them over here so I'm like sliding and things so them wet the rock and I slide off right so I'm gonna give it a try. Come slide off Nate, slide off, your turn. So I'm gonna give it a try. Watch your vibes, watch how I go on. Ready? Here we go. Ready? Slide. Oh. You did it. You want to try it again? Parking for the other. Right to the river fountain. Walking around the wheel park. Round here, that's a deep for man. No? Yeah, we can do it again. Here she comes. Coming down. Woohoo! People wanting around here rock them very slidey. And the water pressure. Let me tell you, the water pressure, it is real. It is no joking. The rain. Just look, people. Let me see. So the sky dark. Sky is dark. Where guys do? One to go away? One to leave? One to go to take shelter? You guys leaving? Shelter up there, Senna. People, we don't know if a river will come down, you know. We don't know! Because we are out here in the rain. Yeah, now show me something. Yeah, go ahead. One. Yeah. You're the best. Them I run from the rain. Come people, come go follow them and say, where they going? What they're doing? What they thinking? You guys okay? You okay? Need that trim boom. You alright, son? So everybody run from the river, people. Okay. But the river big. Watch your head in them. Oh, Taddy. Woo! Okay, so deep in here. Yeah. Yeah, but they don't want to walk. Yeah, I walk over here, yeah? Alright, so people, we're going to take a stroll at the garden. Me and Nina. The rain fall and things, so we're going to just take a little stroll and let you guys get a little view of it, okay? So you guys just walk with it. Guys, you smell something. Yeah. Like it a burn. Ready? Go back and check down. So people, a lot of rain is falling. So all we can do is just hide out the rain little and things. So one little cook shop the up top, so later we have to go try to see if we can find something to eat. Because as we said, we did plan to do some cooking, but because of the all rain and we don't have no shelter to cook under, so we'll save the cooking for the next video. So people, you guys just stay tuned and just keep on watch the progress. Alright? And remember, no people, just do the right thing.
Subscribe and like and comment.
Yeah man, just do the right thing.
Comment which place you can go next video.
Alright people. So people, we are leave right, cause so much rain and things. So people, well, thanks for watch. Hey guys, just stay tuned and just keep on the right thing. As it, subscribe, like up the video, comment, and share with your friends. There. Yeah man there. So big up on yourself in the nation.
Yeah.
Little more. I'm gonna look some food to eat though, cause I'm hungry. So one little shop down the road. Some festival and we have plitters, fried dumpling plitters, saltfish, yeah man, some saltfish plitters. So yeah people, we just get some food to eat, so we go feed the face and thing. What's that? Fried chicken, some money digging a fire one there already. Sky, touch up the food and thing.
Just need some cheese.
Yeah, so we're gonna eat and thing. So people, yo, thank you guys for watching, and just keep on do the right thing. Just keep on share up the video, comment, like it up, and subscribe. Alright? So see you guys in the next one. Little more.